This video is courtesy of BrainyBuyer.com, your shortcut to smarter shopping. If these deep dive comparisons help you pick the perfect gear, show some love with a quick subscribe. So I'm looking at these two propane grills, the Nexgrill Deluxe 2-burner and the Weber Genesis E-435. Big price difference, huh?
Yeah, the Weber is definitely a premium option, clocking in at $1,399 after discount. The Nexgrill is only $265.79. That's a huge difference.
Right? But what are we actually getting for that extra money? Besides the name, of course.
Well, the Weber has a lot of bells and whistles. It's got 4 burners compared to Nexgrill's 2, and it's compatible with Weber's crafted outdoor kitchen collection. So you can swap out the grates for things like a roasting basket or even a wok. That's pretty cool.
Okay, that sounds fancy. How about cooking space?
The Weber has a slightly larger cooking surface. Both are good sizes, but the Weber advertises an expandable top cooking grate which increases the total cooking area.
What about power? BTUs and all that?
The Nexgrill puts out 28,000 BTUs. The Weber doesn't explicitly state the BTU, but it highlights its extra-large sear zone, implying it gets really hot. And it has a side burner so you can heat sauces.
Okay, what about build quality and materials?
The Nexgrill uses porcelain-coated cast iron grates and a stainless steel control panel. The Weber uses alloy steel and stainless steel. The Weber is also much heavier, 220 pounds versus Nexgrill's 70.11 pounds, which usually means better build.
So the Weber is bigger, more versatile, and probably built to last longer. But is it worth that much more?
That depends on your needs. If you're a serious griller who wants all the options and plans to use it constantly, the Weber might be worth the investment. If you just need a reliable grill for occasional cookouts, the Nexgrill seems like a great value. Plus, the Nexgrill has foldable side tables for easy storage.
Good point. And the Nexgrill can be converted to natural gas. What about the Weber?
The Weber can also be converted to natural gas, but you have to buy a separate kit.
Okay, so it seems like the Weber is for the grilling enthusiast, and the Nexgrill is for the casual griller.
Exactly. It all comes down to budget and how seriously you take your grilling.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.